In 2 weeks' time, Allie was able to confidently perform double digits addition with regrouping math independently by following these 2 directions. 1. Add the ones, then add the tens. 2. When adding the ones, if the total is greater than 9, the carried 1 doesn't go into the answer area because it is part of the tens to be added. My name is Mimi Samsoneth, and you're watching How Allie Learned Double Digits Addition with Regrouping in 2 weeks on One Mom's Perspective.
Mommy, look, I do excellent.
In addition to the 2 directions to compute the math, there were 3 particulars that facilitated Allie's comprehension of how double digits addition work.
7, 8, 9, 10.
1. When she could add by simply counting on the numbers 0 through 4.
9, 10, 11. No. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
2. When she could add by using cubes for numbers 5 through 9. Oh, the cubes? Yeah, we're going to do that with problems that has to add 5 and more. So you can group it in 5. Yes, in your ones you can have
you have
0,
1, 2.
The third particular information was for Allie to see why the carried number is always 1. The biggest one is number...
It's number 9.
That's right. The biggest number in ones is
number 9.
That's right. So the biggest you can have is 9 plus 9.
That's not. 16, 17, 18.
That's right. So you carry the...
Carry the 1.
Yeah. So the biggest number you can carry, honey, is number 1.
Number 1.
Can you carry a 2 there?
No.
No, that's right, because the biggest ones is 9. Let's review these 2 directions and 3 particulars in detail. Direction 1. Because reading, even in math, is often done from left to right, I explained that when calculating, we identify place values from right to left, starting with ones, then tens. So when adding, we start from ones, then tens. Allie knew place values, so this wasn't difficult for her to accept, but it needed to be explained. Direction 2. Because Allie would write the total of the ones in the answer area under the equal sign, I explained to her that numbers greater than 9 has a 1 in the tens place value, and the carried 1 is not part of the answer but to be added as another added in the tens column. Demonstration followed my explanation to show Allie that having the 1 carried rather than in the answer area resulted in the correct answer. Helpful information 1. In math, multiple strategies are used to show and to prove how to arrive at an answer. Allie learned how to count on by dotting directly on the add-in if less than 5. Although not a requirement and not taught in school, this was an easier option for her than to count on using cubes.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
You got it. Helpful information 2. Because Allie wasn't able to dot up to 9 accurately when counting on, Allie learned to use cubes. Using cubes were visually compelling to Allie in recognizing bigger numbers. Cubes could be cumbersome, so Allie learned to group them in 5s, as she's able to count in groups of 5s. 1 plus 7 plus 7?
Yeah.
Yeah, so how many altogether? Let's add.
5, 10, 11, 12.
Cubes also helped Allie feel comfortable with numbers as they get bigger, as she came to recognize them visually, and as she remembered her doubles.
Here has a 15.
That's right, the carry make it 15 because double 7 is 14.
7, 14.
15.
It's 15.
You got it.
You got it.
Say it like that. Do you think you can do this by yourself today?
Yes.
Yes, I'm so excited. Helpful information 3. So that Allie could focus more on the addition and not the carried digit, I explained for Allie to understand why the carried number would always be 1. In the long run, Allie would not need to wonder about whether the carried number could be another number other than 1.
And when you carry, what's the biggest number you can carry?
One less variable would give more focus into other areas of performing the math.
Why? Because 9 plus 9,
9 plus 9.
the biggest one is 18.
18. 2. 2 plus 3. 1, 2, 3. Mommy, this equals 4, Mommy. 3 plus 6. No, not minus.
In the learning process, building focus is just as important as understanding the variables. These 5 combined instructions can seem a lot, but they were necessary in order for Allie to visualize and process information for thorough comprehension and perform the computation effortlessly. In 2nd grade, Allie chose for herself to use the number line instead of cues to perform most confidently and independently when computing mixed double digits addition and subtraction problems.
1, 2, 3. Mommy, it's equal 8. It is equals 9, Mommy.
It does.
6, 7, 8, 9.
Thanks for watching.